Hello and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you how to fill and design your nails like this. With a safe bit, you will remove the existing gel polish. One way to know if it's a safe bit is to look at the edge of the actual bit and it's round, and that will prevent any damage to your skin. Then you will push back your cuticles and with a cuticle bit go over the cuticle area, and then you will be cleaning your nails with alcohol. Then you will use a dehydrator, and this is the key to avoid any lifting. Trust me, this is it. You need to use this item right here. You will be applying it on all of the nails, and then you will follow up with your primer. Now it is time to do the fill-in. I will start with a white acrylic. And another key to get better nails is to not over dry your brush. Okay, I was doing that, and again, I'm learning as I go, just like you are. So this is working better for me. A lot of people don't like to have a wet acrylic bit, but you know what? This is actually working out for me. So this is how I am doing it, and it's working so far, so good. So, just take your time. If you touched your skin with your acrylic, go ahead and clean it up and move on. This is the third time I do a filling on these nails. I started with clear acrylic, so you will see a little bit of patching here and there, and that is because again I did have clear acrylic before, and this is the second time I'm filling them in with white acrylic. I also will be using a gel polish, and that's just gonna give me a better result, if you will, for the whiteness that I want to accomplish. Once I was done filling in my nails, then it's time to shape them. I will be again going over the shape, and I will use a hand file and also a bit. Now this bit, if you notice at the edge, it is not a safe bit, but again I will be using them just to shape up the nails like so. Now look at this bit. This is a safe one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go over the cuticle area, and I just want to make sure that that acrylic is not touching the skin. And again, this is working out very well for me. Now I will be using this block. Again, it's super old, but I do have a new one, but I really like this one. So yeah, once you're done with that, wash your hands with soap. And then I will be using this white color. It is a gel polish, and I will be using 2 coats. So yeah, after each coat, you will cure it for only 30 seconds. Now, if you want a bright white color, do not over cure your nail polish. This is something that I also learned the hard way. If you do over cure your white nail polish, then you will get a yellowish type of white, and we don't want that. This is what we have so far. Now it is time to the design. I will be using some of these gels for jewels or whatnot, and everything will be listed in the description box. And I had this long type of blue rhinestones. I believe I got them on Amazon. If I did, I will again list everything in the description box. And after I apply the gel, position the jewel in place, and I will cure for 30 seconds. And I will be using the Mia Secret resin for the rhinestones. And yeah, everything is super simple. I'm using blue rhinestones here, and I had these nail art decals. I believe I bought them at Walmart a while ago. They are quite old. So I will be pressing them in as much as I can, but to secure them even more, I will be using that Mia Secret resin just to, so it stays in place. And I also decided to use some of these rhinestones right here. They are beautiful. It's going to give my nails a beautiful contrast. And again, I will be listing everything in the description box. Now for the top coat, I will be using the GELISH top coat and I will be curing for 60 seconds. And to give my cuticles a little bit of love, I will be using this Nourish oil, and this is the final results. Well, my friends, that is it. I hope that you like these nails, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.